It's a Jello gummy.
It's gummy too?
It's a Jello gummy.
What's up, guys? It's Jegster. We're back today. We're going to do a Japanese snack candy, more like snack tasting. Ordered this online, Amazon. This is the package here. Almost knocked the two over. And it came in this right here. We're actually going to try all these out, do a little tasting for you. This is my friend Michael. I've actually talked about him in the last video. I think you saw about the outfit I was wearing. He's the one that gave me the shirt. And I'll tell you them online with the Red Dead videos that you might have seen. So we're going to break this open and see what this is. Some of it looks like it could be sweet, and then some looks like it's going to be chips. I mean, who knows? You can't read any of it. Can't read any of it.
It says chocolate right there.
Well, I mean, it's chocolate pebbles. I'm pretty sure it's chocolate. Alright.
You threw one.
It looks like a Keurig cup.
A Keurig.
What are these? What do you think these are?
Looks like nerds.
There's English on here, but it's not pronounceable. Sounds like a Digimon. Doraemon. One bite size.
Let's do the candy first.
Alright, let's get the candy out the way. Yeah, all sweet. Alright. You know, so.
I guess I'm going to try the bacon.
Alright, we can both try that. So yeah, let's try that. Wait, that's bacon?
I don't know what that is.
It has like bacon on it and some beef. Is this supposed to be sweet? Oh, that looks like bacon. Here you go. Try it. Let's see. It's kind of scary.
It's not bacon. It's not bacon.
I gotta get my mouth ready for this experience. Okay,
that's leather. That's what that is.
What? It bends like a dried out. I don't know. It's crispy on the inside. It's like a chip that got wet and then hardened again.
I don't know.
It's not really easy to eat.
It's not really good.
No. No, not really good at all. Alright, well, the bacon chip dried out raisin
That's a no-go.
I mean, if you like, it's starting to taste a little bit.
Not bacon.
There you go, guys. First ever not bacon right there. Now we should probably try something sweet to get that crappy not sweet thing out of our mouth.
Try this
God, that's terrible.
soda bottle.
It's like broken beef jerky is what that was.
Yeah.
Soda bottle?
Yeah. It says cider.
So there's some English up in here somewhere.
Yeah, I can't pull that apart.
It looks like a soda pop.
It's actually not that.
But what?
Very chewy, but...
What would it be compared to? A gummy worm. A sour gummy?
Yeah.
Well,
So it actually tastes like soda.
Yeah, it tastes like carbonated soda. Wow. That is really weird. I got stuck in my throat because there's so much sugar on it.
Well, we know that's milk chocolate.
It does say milk chocolate. It also says Meiji.
There's another chocolate. I'll take this chocolate.
Alright, I'll take that one. I'm going to say this is like Hershey's.
Yeah.
But honestly, that's probably like some caramel or something.
Yeah. Kind of reminds me of a Werther's packet.
Yeah, it does actually. Does that sound back? Fugitive?
No, Faruta.
Oh, it might be fruity. It might be fruity then. Oh, this is definitely chocolate. It's a Hershey quarter bar. They're in squares and quarters. Ah, that looks like a toffee.
Yeah, it's got like nuts in it.
Yeah, this is a mix between cocoa, you know, the cooking cocoa chocolate, and our Hershey's. It's like a half a cup Hershey's. But
that was not peanuts.
It's pretty good. Was it peanuts?
You know, like Honey Smacks cereal? That's exactly what was in that.
Oh my gosh, that's good.
That's pretty good.
That is crazy. That's
a good one.
Yep. This is a decent thing of chocolate. I mean, like, it felt like, it's definitely milk chocolate. You know, it's like, but it tastes more like a Hershey's Kiss. Basically just like a Hershey's Kiss.
Chocolate
Good luck
cookie.
figuring what that is.
It says it right there.
It says
chocolate
Country
chip.
Ma'am.
Chocolate chip cookie and vanilla.
They're
Choco
ruining
chip.
it. They're putting
Choco
on
chip. Not chocolate chip.
chocolate chip cookie vanilla.
Yeah,
It's
it
gonna
feels
be a
like
vanilla
it's pieces.
cookie. Yeah, it's pieces. So you're right. It's gonna be a vanilla cookie and chocolate chips in it. But it does say Country Ma'am down at the bottom. I don't know why. That's kind of random.
That's not even.
It's a normal chocolate chip cookie probably.
It's all broken.
Although it looks like it might be different dough. I don't
Yeah, it
know.
doesn't look done in the middle.
Yeah. It's an attempt at a hot fudge cookie or something. I think we got a tablecloth here. Okay, so mine just like kind of broke apart, but yeah. It's
not too sweet.
Yeah, it's not too sweet like a normal one. It tastes more doughy than more
It's got a
cookie
weird
than chocolate.
aftertaste.
It does. A pasty. It kind of has like a wafer aftertaste.
Yeah.
Alright, then we got a marshmallow thing.
You can have that one.
Alright, I'll try that. You can pick something else.
We'll try Felix here.
This is straight up Hello Kitty. You got Felix and I got Hello Kitty. Marshmallow. Pretty sure mine's marshmallow. It's very thick though.
This has got to be chocolate.
Yeah, but I mean, thinking
Like one of those.
a crunch bar maybe?
Those old school pieces of gum.
You're the ones This is
I don't know.
straight up marshmallow. But what is that?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
That looks like chalk. It looks like chalk.
Or it's soap.
Soap. Yeah, it looks like soap.
What is this?
Felix like, oh, I get what you mean, the old school gum now.
Yeah, the little squares.
The bamboo. Yeah, and they also had the banjo or whatever it was, and they had the cartoons in it. That's what this is. You got a little cartoon strip with it. You got a little Japanese cartoon strip or something. I don't know. Maybe it's a wrapper. It looks like two people fighting or something.
That is gum.
It's gum?
Yeah.
Felix's gum, huh? But in Japan. That's very sweet. And different sweet. It tastes like... Okay, so the marshmallow has cream on the inside of it. Even more marshmallow. It's like a cream marshmallow. That's too sweet.
Oh, look, you got
Tasty.
something else.
Does that come with it?
Yeah. I think that's the recipe.
Oh, that's on your Felix, right?
Yeah, that's the recipe.
Good thing it's in proper English, not Japanese. Let's try these little chocolate
Little chocolate.
turds, you know? Little chocolate turds. Dang, these things are small.
What is that?
Are they raisins?
I think they're peanuts. Or is that coffee beans?
I don't know. I'm going to do like a bunch of them just to see. Because I feel like one's not
I'm going to
give me
do like
enough.
one because I don't know what it's going to
Burrito. That's the chocolate ones.
be. You can't read
No.
Japanese.
I can read fluent gibberish. No, I'm just kidding. It's Japanese. Alright. Wow, that's a dry nut.
It's not a nut. It's
not
the
a nut.
same thing as that other chocolate. Like a little Honey Smack cereal.
It is.
But
It
they're
is kind of
stale and covered in chocolate.
They let them dry out. So they get the ultimate crunchiness to them, you know? It also stays in your teeth and
Yeah.
stuff. You could probably down the whole bag though real quick. And just because they're so tiny. I'd be done and feel like you ate half a bowl of cereal. Put a little swig of milk.
Yeah. It's all crumbly
yeah.
too.
Looks like a
Some sort of cookie.
yeah, like a cream filled cookie, just a normal little cracker cookie. And it's all smushed. So
Yeah, just like the other one.
well, I did think that this was a possibility when I put it in my bag. First I put it in on top of my jacket, it wouldn't fit with the zipper, and I realized I was smushing it, so I pulled it out, took my jacket back
Oh
out.
no, there's two of them. I'll get the
that works.
unfresh one. You can
Fine.
have the
That works.
all bunch.
They're both
too.
fresh. But they do look
Okay.
familiar. They look kind of familiar. Well, I'm missing part of it, but yeah. Looks like an animal cracker with cream in the middle of it.
Yeah. What is that?
I thought mine had a rhino on it. I just assumed it was animal. What is it?
It's a heart with Japanese writing in it. I guess
It's a message, secret message, but it tastes like what are those called?
Shortbread cookies.
That's what they are, aren't they? Yeah. You cream it up.
Just with the cream, yeah.
Yeah, I always refer to them, I think, as like the generic ones. You know, one of the old people, I think, ate them when I was younger. But now, they're actually pretty good. Alright, I think we're almost done with sweets. We're going to open this up, figure out what the heck this is, because I'm very curious.
It's nerds.
It's too big. It sounds like 2 eggs.
They're big nerds.
Super nerds. These right here are obviously sweet tart candy things. I guess we might as well try one. Whoa, just tried it. I got a feeling I'm not really a big fan on these things. I would never.
Oh yeah, I've never really liked sweet tarts.
Anything like that. It might not be sweet tarts. It might be like
sour tarts.
Actually, they're not. They're
sweet tarts.
They're straight up sweet tarts, but they're fatter.
Yeah.
These are the thick tarts. They taste just like them, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, no, they got a little bit.
There's a little bit of grossness on there.
They tried to throw some random fruit up in there. Bang, curveball, dusty fruit. That's what it tastes like. It's like it poofs into dust and it's a random fruit flavor there. Alright.
We doing the super nerds now?
Yeah, let's figure out what this little Japanese kitty's all about. Okay, this is ridiculous. There's not even.
I don't think that candy's supposed to be ate.
It's just supposed to be observed.
Yeah.
Observed from a distance.
I've never seen candy with that kind of packaging on it.
Like warning, adults only. It's like one side you got this little kid cutie whatever thing, and then you got this thing. I don't know what this is. But this is the Digimon. This is the Okay, this is weird.
Oh, what is that? What are those?
I don't know. Mothballs?
Mothballs?
Oh wait, those are the things you put in your van or to make it smell better.
That's what you smell better. They're mothballs. You put them in your closet.
Oh, I don't know. I just remember they were in my mom's van when I was young. These things are, what are those balls? Those chocolate balls with malt.
Malt, yeah.
Whoppers.
Whoppers.
Yeah,
Whoppers.
Whoppers.
Just
they're caramel
color.
Whoppers, yeah. Maybe. Yeah, wow, that was different. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? You know what this is?
That's ginger.
No, you got ginger?
That's what that is. Yeah.
This is literally a covered up race. It's a, what are those called?
Ginger.
No, why can I not think of them? What is that candy called? Over the rainbow, you know, whatever. Skittles. It's literally a Skittle with a brown wrap around it.
No. That was not a Skittle.
Is this ginger? This is a weird Skittle. Hang on, let me try this one. Yeah.
Same thing?
That's it. These are Skittles.
Those are not Skittles.
Alright, well, here. She can try this later, I'll tell you.
No, that's not a Skittle.
I'm gonna let Leah try this later. Yeah. What's a Skittle with a brown cover over it? It's not that great, but...
Well, Skittles are great, so that cannot be a Skittle.
That's super sour, kind of. What is ginger? I thought that was some cooking recipe, not some candy recipe.
All kinds of stuff. There's ginger candy out there.
That's what that was.
Yeah. Well,
but it's just one flavor of
I just want to see what this
Skittles.
is, so you need to try this.
That is a little bit. This is exactly what I saw on that video earlier. Oh my god, I was dreading it earlier. I was like, I don't like this. This is you tried this before. You said you tried this before, right? Oh my god.
Well, something like that.
It's solid.
It's solid, but it's jelly. It's a Jello gummy.
It's gummy too?
It's a Jello gummy.
And you like?
You have to bite it. It doesn't like come apart. You have to bite it.
What the heck? And it's kind of clear.
It is.
I don't know, but this is gonna be weird.
Here.
How do you like?
Can you grab that other one you dropped? I'll try that one. While you eat this one.
It's a cup.
I know, it's the same thing, but it's in a cup.
It's gonna be great to bite.
No, this one's disgusting.
It's like a shot.
On
it's
it.
a pineapple shot.
It's a Jello shot.
Okay. I don't think I like that. First off, like it's not like dissolving like normal Jello. It goes down your throat. This is just multiplying into smaller amounts of the same consistency. That was really weird. Is that what that? It's Jello that don't go away. It's there with you till you swallow it. I mean, it's gonna keep multiplying.
That one actually tastes what it was supposed to be, though. It tastes like pineapple.
Yeah. This one, I don't know what this is supposed to be. I don't know what blue tastes like. But it tasted something like that. Kona yaku. And everything for the sweets.
Except for the sucker.
Oh,
and the beef jerky.
Well, that's
I don't know if that's candy or not. There's something in the middle of it. Look.
I don't think it's candy. Well, we'll have to try that now before we go into the others.
You want the sucker or the beef jerky?
I don't care. We can split this. I can cut this. And then we don't have to do that.
This has strawberries on it, so I'm assuming it says...
Oh, you can try that, yeah. Because I don't really like suckers. And...
It's the best strawberry sucker I've ever had.
Really?
Like, seriously.
That is crazy.
It actually tastes like real strawberries.
Wow. You have to save that for later. You know, that's why I call it a suck and save. You just like stick it in your pocket.
I'm not putting it in my pocket, but I'll save it for later.
Well, that is pretty crazy. That's good to know. Alright,
really
so next
good.
we're going to dive into all of the
chips
and stuff.
Whatever these look like fireworks to me, like it should be a firework.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Some of you are probably saying, Jegster, where is the second half of the video? We didn't see the snacks or cake side. I know, guys, and I'm very sorry to admit that I somehow deleted the second half. I don't know how, and it's a major bummer. But what I am leaving you with is this picture of an item that I plan on using in a future overnight video. So to give you incentive of please liking and subscribing, follow me on my socials to get ready for that video.